Dear students, welcome to English second paper class brought to you by Rani Joyamai High School. I know that many of you missing your schools and classmates because you have been away from your stations from a long time. And doubly, we are going through crisis, but education cannot be locked down. Today our topic is transformation of sentences, affirmative to negative. Some rules of changing from affirmative to negative, but I tell you something about transformation. English language is very rich. Sentence can be expressed in different mode. The system of changing type of sentence into another without changing the meaning is called transformation. Actually, transformation of sentence means the changing of its grammatical form to another without altering its meanings. It is an excellent form of exercise as it helps the learners to know the range and varieties of expression in writing English. But it should be borne in mind that transformation cannot be made in all cases. Please note down it. Here we see the three parts of table in the screen. First part is affirmative word, second part is negative word, and last part is mean. Only turn into non-verb and to mean God or human. Only nothing but when we see the object. Only not more than, not less than when we see the age. Must will be turned, change. Cannot but or cannot help plus verb plus ing. Both dot dot and oblique and turn into not only dot dot but also. Every turn into change. Turn into change, there is no dot dot but to mean human. As soon as turn into change, no sooner had plus verb 3, that means past participle dot dot then plus extension. Sometimes turn into change, not always, always, never, to dot dot to turn change, so plus adjective plus that plus subject plus can oblique could not plus verb. Many, not a few, not many, a little, not much, much, not a little. Here examples of some opposite words, please note down it. Here the given word turn into antonym: good, bad, friend, enemy, moral, immoral, mortal, immortal, regular, irregular, active, inactive, wise, unwise, pleasant, unpleasant, honest, dishonest, honesty, dishonesty, doubtful, undoubtful or sure, pleased, displeased, happy, unhappy, possible, impossible, literate, illiterate, responsible, irresponsible, hard, easy or soft, absent, present, real, unreal, always, never. Here another sum of opposite words: honor, dishonor, present, absent, healthy, unhealthy, rich, poor, love, had, remember, forget, grateful, ungrateful, agreed, disagreed, punctual, late, ordinary, extraordinary, willing, unwilling, obey, disobey, obedient, disobedient, solvent, insolvent, right, wrong, compatible, uncompatible, sincere, insincere, conscious, unconscious. Affirmative to negative: only she can do the work. Here only turn into change none but she can do the work. Only teachers can help us to study. Here also only turn into change none but teachers can help us to study. He likes only ice cream. We know that ice cream is one kind of object. So answer: he likes nothing but ice cream. They are only 13 years old. Answer: they are not more than 13 years old. We must love our mother. We cannot but love our mother. Here must turn into change cannot but. Everybody loves flower. There is nobody but loves flower. Here everybody change into there is no ... but. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. I like both meat and fish. I like not only meat but also fish. Both orient turn change not only but also. They like playing and reading. They like not only playing but also reading. Here and change into not only but also. As soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. Here as soon as turn change no sooner had ... verb 3, that means first participle seen we saw that, and ... then plus extension. So the answer is: no sooner had the thief seen the police than he ran away. He is the best boy in the class. Superlative degree: best to change no other boy in the class is so good as he or as good as he. He is an honest man. Answer, he is not a dishonest man. Here honest opposite word is dishonest. Srijan was as wise as Srijita. Answer, Srijan was not less wise than Srijita. Here s ... turn into change, not less than. Health is wealth. Isn't health wealth? Note, universal truth. In case of universal truth, the sentence is changed into negative plus interrogative. Don't, doesn't, isn't, aren't, wasn't, plus subject, plus extension, plus interrogation mark. Homework. Change the sentences into negative. Number 1. Truth is beauty. 2. Love is divine. 3. Kindness is a noble virtue. 4. The sun rises in the east. 5. The moon shines at night. 6. Prevention is better than cure. 7. Addiction to drinking is dangerous. 8. Education is the backbone of a nation. 9. Man is the servant of habit. 10. Practice make man perfect. 11. We must obey our parents. 12. I like both banana and apple. Thank you all.